start
Oh, is that
copying all
Oscar
the stuff.
baby?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
when he comes back, he needs to start doing the territorial call again, and then he
Self aggravated.
yeah, and he starts.
Where koalas in the wild anymore?
Mainly on the east coast of Australia. So there's some in Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and they're starting to repopulate South Australia. They were completely wiped out of their distribution.
Oh, there's a pope. There's a purple.
What's under nose?
Oh, Oscar, I'm sorry. Oscar had a cold. He said he had a cold, and he came back in and got all credit for it and started to get